I'm gonna try some overnight oats today. Well, goddamn, I'm cute. We'll see how it goes. All right, we're going in to see how these overnight oats worked. And as of right now, it looks a bit watery. Okay, all right, let's check this out. All right, so I'm here with my overnight oats. I didn't really go over anything that I did with them. I just looked it up on Pinterest. It was like a cup of milk, which was almond milk for us. Half a cup of oats, and then I added cinnamon and protein. And this shit looks watery as fudge cakes. The texture's there. I stir it a bit. I mean, it's all right. I guess I can see where like people add fruit and whatnot. Maybe some hot sauce. What the what? I mean, I will continue to do this. I'll say that. I'll see how my kid likes it next time. Overnight oats, that's coming up next because I secretly can't stop eating it. Peace out.